Hey everyone, it's good to see you again. And look, got a Whataburger. Whataburger is right there in the place in Oklahoma City. And she got me and I decided to have some Whataburger for lunch. And they have said signs here, no pickles. The green circle, no pickles. So my mom was right here. She had a fish. She got a fish. So I got this burger right here. So it contains lettuce, tomato, cheese, and patty burger. So let's go and see what it is. Try it what it is, shall we? That Whataburger looks wonderful. Incredible. We also got some Whataburger fries here. Let me get something straight. I decided to have Whataburger for the first time because I'm getting hungry have Whataburger for lunch. And you know, Whataburger is not so bad. And it looks pretty good. We got a large orange Fanta right here. Looks pretty good. Thanks very much to watching a video of this Whataburger with this orange Fanta, the water plain cheeseburger. It looks delicious. Until I will see you in the next video. Inside a Playhouse Disney.